everyone, it's Lynette with Charm Grammy Crochet. How are you today? Welcome to my yarn room. We are doing some more yarn porn, bagging up yarn. In yesterday's video, I did skinny cakes and just mostly Caron cakes of all different sizes. And I talked about my bobbins. And like, I was thinking that I was going to have to recake these. And as I was thinking about that after I ended the video, I thought, I wonder how well they would stack in the bag. And they stack too high. They're stacking pretty good. So I'm going to try this and just see how it goes. So this is Premier Bobbin yarn. And here's some that is like scrap. But I have more of these colors, so I don't scrap them when I have more. It's really a nice yarn. It was a little bit splitty as I recall working with it, but it's got a little bit of a sheen to it. It's really soft. It's a 4 weight. I'm going to say a thinner 4, but it's still a 4 weight. And they did come out with some solid colors, and I got gray, which these are anti-pilling, 100% acrylic, and in the solid ones, it's obviously solid and it's all one color. In the others, as you can see in this, you get 3 colors in one. So in the solids, you get 543 yards or 498 meters. It's 9 ounces, 255 grams. If it is the 3 colors, it's 181 yards or 166 meters, 3 ounces, 85 grams per color. But it still ends up being 543 yards ish in the scheme. So I have 5 in the gray and I had 5 in the white. So I'm not going to be as neat about this as I was the other videos where I had the yarn all written down already. I didn't do that because I wasn't sure, and I got the yarns all separated, but I wasn't sure how well it was going to work out in the boxes, in the, bagging it and whatever. So I'm kind of gonna write them down as we go. And maybe I'll just keep pausing the video for you and do a couple colors at a time. That's probably the best way to do it. So that you're not dragging on and on and on while I'm writing. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to pause, and then I'll do a couple colors, then I'll show them to you, then I'll pause, then I'll do a couple colors, because I want to know what the color schemes are per bobbin, so you have an idea. But most of them, I've discovered I have mostly 2 each, except for the purple. There is a purple colorway. I have 5 of those too, so I guess I'll do that next. And there is this pinkish colorway that I have several of as well. So I'm going to write those down and then I'll show them to you, and we'll be back in a second. Okay, now we're on to the purples. This color is called Tulip Wood. And as you can see, it goes from a really dark purple to the mixed color, and then the light purple. And obviously the mixed color is the 2 purples together. And it looks like that. And I had 5 of these. And they are fitting in this bag really, really well. I have to say, I'm pretty excited about that. How can I have 5, 5, 5? And then I have the pink color. And this one, I just wrote this stuff down. You think I'd remember, but no. This is called Rosy Outlook. And so it's all pale pinks, but it goes, real baby pink. And it works up looking like that. And they don't make this yarn anymore. They thought they were getting up something really cool with the bobbins and, doing the whole they all go together thing, which is really awesome. But the the bobbins tend to be space eaters, for the, you know, and they were expensive for the amount of yarn you were getting when they first came out. Then they ran them on sale for $2 and $3 a cake. I mean, a bobbin, and I sucked them up. I know that. So I have 5 of that colorway, which I don't think the 5th one is going to fit in this bag. That's a little disheartening. Maybe I will keep out a white one. That's what I'll do. I'll keep out a white one. And we'll put the pink one in. And this will be bag number 36. That's all that fit in that bag. And I will get up another bag and I'll get some more yarn and we'll get right back to you. Okay, I am back. I wrote down all the rest of the colors so we can box them right up. So next we have this color called Sand Dollar. So it's just, yeah, sand, mixed color, and then a little bit of tan. It works up on something looking like that. Sadly, I only have 2 of these because I really like the color. But I think if I wanted to do a bigger project and use, you know, just all this yarn, you know, you could always add white, maybe the gray with that. But then I have this color that is called Peachy Keen. And so it like has a tan and a mixed, and then the pink, I mean the peach color. So maybe you could blend those together somehow, you know, or I could, I don't know, but I like them. I like that too. Okay, stay standing, thank you. Then I had 2 of this color that is called Periwinkle. It's blue mixed and white, and it works up looking like this. I know you got a little bit of a glare, but I hope you can tell. If I turn the light off, we'll be in the dark. And I don't think we want to do that. I don't know if all these are going to fit in this box, but we're going to give it a shot. And I have 2 of this blue. And this one is called Blue Moon. And so it's like pale blue mixed and then dark blue. And works up looking like that. I like that too. I had never had this yarn when they put it on sale so inexpensively. I should have ordered more at the time. And when I went, after I got the yarn and I went back for seconds, the first time I bought it, it was $2 a skein. The second time it was $3. But I bought more because it was, you know, such nice yarn, I found out. This color is called Terracotta. So you got like a clay and then a mixed and then a dark, you know, dark and light terracottas in there. I have 2 of those. But I saw, oh, I really like this colorway. I really don't like that color as much. But I bought as many as I could anyway, just because the yarn is so nice. Then I have this color, which I have 3 of, and it's called Lime Green. Yeah, works up like that. Not my favorite, but not terrible. I like the lighter green way more than the darker green. I'll tell you that. And I think I'll stick the white in there. No, maybe not. I'm not, all this isn't going to fit anyway. Sure is not. So that leftover white I'm going to stick in here. Yeah, I don't think it's all going to fit. Then I have what's left of 3, so 2 plus of this colorway, which is called Peacock. Really like these colors. I like it a lot. The bright teal to the, you know, pale teal, and then it works up looking like that. Like, I think the yarn is nice. I don't know what it would compare to. Anti-Pilling Everyday Bobbin. I don't think it compares to their Premier Everyday Anti-Pilling yarn. I don't know. But here's those colors free of plastic, because that's the extras that I made something with, just testing out the yarn. And I will throw those in the bag in a second. Then I have this one, which I think is my favorite colorway out of all the colors. I just like these colors pretty much the best, even though, I don't know, what do you think? Well, okay, so the color is called Angel, and it's the pastels, and I just totally love it. What do you think if you threw in like that bright teal in with that? No, not that one. I think that would look awesome together. I don't know. So I have 1 plus. I played with it a little bit, and so now I don't have a complete 2 of that either. But that's okay. Then I have this goldenrod color. Let me get it out. And I have 5 of these, and these are not all going to fit in here. It is called goldenrod. When I went back the second time, there wasn't as big a selection. And it's the yellow tones. I have 5 of those. So that's what I have left. I'm going to fight with how I'm going to get these in this bag, because I have space for 3. So I'm going to fight with that. And I'm going to end this video. So this video will come out the next day after the one I just made. And it'll be a shorter video. So let's see. The other one will come out. Today is Tuesday, Wednesday. This will probably come out on Thursday. And as far as not yarn just to look at, hopefully, I think I finished Chloe's scarf. And by Thursday, hopefully I will start it on the hat. Because I have to have them done by Sunday. It's downstairs, so I can't show it to you. I didn't bring it up. But it turned out really pretty in that stitch that Joe gave me, or showed me from Joe's Web. I just can't decide if I need an extra row or not. So I need to talk to my friends in Zoom that can give me an answer right now. So I either finish it. I think it's done, but it might need more. It might need to be wider. I don't know. I can't make that decision myself. It's too big of a decision, guys. It's just too big. So anyway, I want to thank you for sharing your time with me here in my yarn room. I got another tower down, so that's good news. And more in the other room. So I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for liking, subscribing, sharing, all those YouTube things. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.